This is a programmable robot set appropriate for age group 3 to 9 years. Kids can use the bot to build any command right on the board. For example, reach from red to green flag on the mat. Just hit the big button and the control tower will get the instructions and move the robot on the mat. The coding blocks are the main key features of this set. Code using directional keys. Simply create the music using music notes keys. Draw using angular keys. Kids can make complete program by using loops.